Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AXON. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out with levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So let's map out some levels of support and resistance and try to track this as the week goes by. Now, the first level of support is what I would consider the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above $1.45. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $1.45, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from the big picture point of view, that's where the purple line here comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, full control, no questions asked. Again, yeah, it'd be great if the price could stay up there above $1.45, but from the grand scope of things, as long as the price stays above that purple line, then the bulls are in full control. Now, what about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are currently hanging out at, I realize the price did get up above this area, but I'm going to call that $1.60. Like I said, yeah, the price got up above it, but on a couple other instances, the price didn't quite hit it. So I'm just kind of trying to split the difference there and find that middle ground, and I'm going to use that middle ground at $1.60. So any way you slice it, very powerful move today. Now it's just all a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward, and then, you know, quote unquote building momentum all starts with building those higher bases. So let's see if the price can stay up above that purple line or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.